We've got a 2025 BMW M5. We've put can immobilisation on with gearbox lock, so we can get in the vehicle and start as you normally would. Everything wakes up, engine starts, give it a couple of revs there you go, engine revs fine. Now immobiliser's armed at the moment, so if we try to select the gear like that, you see it just bounces back into park. Select the gear, okay, reverse, so it's not going to let us select a gear, okay, so it stays in park all the time. There we go, select gear, back into park, okay. So we need to deactivate the immobiliser using a combination of button pushes. We can use many buttons on these, unique combination up to 20 button pushes. We typically go with 4 or 5, it's normally good enough. Excuse me. So if I put the button pushes in, you'll see on the dashboard there's a main beam warning light that gives us a flash. So once I've entered the code, we get a flash to acknowledge the gearbox lock is now deactivated. So if we select gear now, see it stays in gear fine, no problem at all. Into reverse, stays in reverse fine, no problem at all. Okay, back up on the dash here, into drive, there we go. So that's it, so that's the immobiliser deactivated, nice and simple. When we turn the car off, and when we get out the car, open the driver's door, only the driver's door on this one. There you go, 2 flashes of the main beam warning light signals that the car is now immobilised again. So it immobilises every time you get out of the car, and it only unimmobilises when you put your unique PIN code in. Up to 20 button pushes of existing buttons within the vehicle. System can be put in service mode, so if you go away for, you know, an airport car parking or valet parking or servicing or whatever, you can put it in service mode and it will stay in service mode until you take it out of service mode. So you don't need to disclose your unique PIN code to anybody. There we go, can immobilisation, gearbox lock on this 2025 BMW M5.